Discover a new freedom with the Mediva electric wheelchair. Designed to go anywhere with you. The Mediva electric wheel frame comes with a robust, reinforced double-cross design to ensure extra durability and safety. The push handles come with a PVC grip. The 16 inches rear wheels are for ease of maneuverability on all kinds of surfaces. The solid rubber front wheels of 10 inches are created for excellent control and stability. Manual brakes with anti-skid braking system. Anti-tip casters are provided for additional safety. They come with a wheel lock for total protection. The batteries are fixed firmly to the motors. The fabric used for the upholstery are fire retardant and antibacterial. The polymer footrest and handrest offer complete comfort. The Mediva electric wheelchair is provided with a back pocket to hold the tools and the manual. This ergonomically designed interchangeable joystick provides an effortless experience and ease of operation to make your everyday ride convenient.